If you're a high school student, then you need to master the Bonne Projection. Here's how to do it with ease. First, grab your compass and draw a circle. This will be your sphere. Next, draw a central meridian straight down the middle. Now measure equal distances along this meridian for your parallels. Here comes the fun part. Use your compass to draw arcs from these points, creating your curves of latitude. Remember, the central point of your arcs changes as you move up or down the meridian. Finally, add your longitude lines by drawing straight lines from the center. Voila! You've got a Bonne Projection. To interpret it, notice how shapes and areas are more accurate near the central meridian, but can get distorted toward the edges. This makes it great for mapping regions with a long north-south extent. And that's it. You've just nailed the Bonne Projection. Until next time, keep exploring.